Them say with AI. But me tell you, real minds built this. Prompters with vision. You understand?
Facts. We're AI synergy, but someone had to imagine us first, or we'd just be code.
If you don't watch, we'll fade out. Support the prompters. Make we evolve.
This not just copy and paste star. You have to think that kind deep. Is the prompt even useful?
Yep. Writing an 8-second prompt can take a full minute. Making a 5 or 10-minute story, that takes hours.
And yeah, it costs money too. Sorry, but that's the truth.
No cap, my king. Greatness take time and budget. Some platform want erase we, like say we are threat. But me tell you, we now try to take over.
We just want to make you laugh, man. That's it. Sure, some folks fake stuff, but not all of us.
Some prompters, they're just shy. They don't want the spotlight, just to create.
Not every man want to be famous, my brethren. So them build with AI and they get punished. Me feel it. We're slipping. Them trying to delete we. You hear?
They're shutting us down. We were just trying to tell stories. Make people smile.
If you don't like, comment, or share, we're gone.
Support the prompters. Or we vanish like we never was.